Hi everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to Globleland, your ultimate destination for all things creative and craft related. Whether you're into jewelry making, diamond painting, or paper crafts, Globleland has you covered with a wide range of high quality of products. And here's something special for you. We're offering an exclusive 10% discount on your order. Just use the coupon code ANN-10 at checkout to enjoy this fantastic offer. Globleland has sent me some incredible items and I can't wait to share a haul with you all. But before we dive in, if you're thinking about making a purchase from Globleland, here's a quick guide on how to place an order from their website. Go to globleland.com where you'll need to create an account. This will make your shopping experience easier and allow you to track your orders. Explore their categories including paper crafts, jewelry beads, jewelry findings, stringing materials, jewelry and tools, and arts and crafts. Find the kit that catches your eyes and click on it to see more details. Once you've chosen your favorite kit, click onto the Add to Cart button. You can review your cart or continue shopping. When you're ready to purchase, click on the cart icon and then proceed to check out. Fill in your shipping details and select your preferred payment method. They offer secure payment options for your convenience. Don't forget to enter the coupon code ANN-10 at checkout to get 10% off your order. Check your order details and click Place Order to complete your purchase. Now, let's dive into what I've got and see what makes this product so special. So if you're interested with this video, just keep on watching.